So today we're going to be installing the stack on the truck. As you can see, I already started on it. I kind of lined it up with the exhaust on the bottom. There's going to be a lot of cutting and shit I'm going to need to do, but I'll try to show you the process. I need to run back to the store because the shit that I ordered, it doesn't slip over. It's just like perfectly like flush with it. Can't really tell, but I need to get a bigger adapter for it. Possibly a bigger one of these. Hopefully it fits over, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to get something else. But yeah, we're gonna try to drill this hole. Let's see if I can get someone to record real quick while I drill this. So we got the hole cut with that. It's fucking trashy ass hole, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. I think I'm just gonna cut it with the grinder now. And I gotta go get the right adapter. So I'm gonna get the slightly bigger one so the stack can fit. Because right now, that ain't gonna work, son. So yeah, I'm gonna have to run back to the fucking store and get a new adapter. And these things are fucking so hard to get. At least in California, I tried everywhere to get one, but I guess they're illegal. Just stupid. I don't know why. At least that's what they told me at the store. Good thing they have them at the trucker stores. But yeah, we're gonna try this and hopefully it works. I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, here she is, the finished product. We got the stack installed. We had to cut a whole bunch of parts. I was test fitting a whole bunch of things first, just to make sure it would fit. And it ended up being a long process for this thing to go in, because I went to some stores to go get the 4-to-5 extender. Well, let's crawl under here. As you can see, we have the 4-inch pipe, just the elbow, and I got a clamp on there. As you can see right there, does that look familiar? Yeah, it's the my MBRP exhaust tip. So right now this is really ghetto, like super ghetto rigged. And that's just because, I'll show you why. So this was the 4-to-5 adapter that was supposed to fit. As you can see, I cut it up and shit just because I was trying to make it work, because it was exactly what I ordered last time. Fucking just didn't fit. So as you can see, we got the, oh, you can't see, damn, this thing got dirty all quick. I installed this last night, but yeah, the MBRP, it was a 4-inch inlet, 5-inch outlet. So that's what I used. So as you can see, it's truck rice right now. But tomorrow we're gonna actually make it permanent and like actually make it professionally, quote unquote. But yeah, I just wanted to get it on there and just freaking see if that would work, because I was just really pissed off that it was not working. But oh my god, guys, this is so fucking loud. Like, I tried driving with the freaking back windows open, and hell no. It's so freaking loud. Like, it shakes the cab once you go past like 2,000 RPMs. But yeah, I'll give you a start up. See if I can get this on there. Man, I really need a tripod. Christ. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we can use. Sorry, guys. Alright, that's gonna be good for right now. Make sure it's still recording. Yes. Alright. I want to get kicked out of this park. But yeah, this thing is really loud. It smokes so much. I freaking love it. I have a love-hate relationship with it. I can't really notice any soot on the roof yet. The only thing I like about having that exhaust tip right there, it raises it quite a bit. So I don't know, I like it not having it so low, because like I can drive with the window open, but it's so loud, like my ears were hurting so bad. But I'll have a driving video like right now. So yeah, I'll show you how it is driving with the windows open. Okay, you guys couldn't see that, but I got flipped off. There was a car behind me. Sorry to them, but all the windows are closed now because I can't really hear anything after that. And there was a CHP. Hopefully it doesn't pull us over. But yeah, with the windows freaking closed, it's perfectly fine. Once you get like 2,100 RPM, that's when it starts to like freaking drone and freaking sound awful. It hurts my fucking ears, but you know what, fuck it. Stack life. Yeah, I'll try to get some outside shots once my girlfriend gets off work, then she could film me doing a little pulls, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are thinking about doing this to your truck, if you have a single cab, I would like think about it first, because it's really freaking loud. But yeah, just fucking full on send it, brothers.